In the energy storage era, manufacturing capability defines product value. Driven by advanced manufacturing systems and digital production capabilities, Tianneng continues to build industry-leading lithium manufacturing strength. Double-layer continuous coating process achieves speeds of up to 70 meters per minute, with a web width deviation controlled within 0.5 millimeters per minute. Wide-width, high-pressure rolling technology ensures thickness precision strictly controlled within plus or minus 2 microns. High-precision laser slitting reaches up to 60 meters per minute, reducing both surface and edge burrs to the microscopic limit. Advanced precision manufacturing lays a solid foundation for superior consistency in energy storage cells. High-precision laser slitting reaches speeds of 60 meters per minute, with cutting accuracy controlled within 0.3 millimeters. Electrode alignment accuracy reaches 0.3 millimeters, ensuring long-term cell reliability and safety. Tianneng has established a highly automated and intelligent manufacturing system. Automated assembly lines achieve capacities above 15 parts per million, while pack production lines exceed 18 parts per million. MES Smart Manufacturing enables full process visualization and digital management. A stringent quality system runs through the entire manufacturing process. Electrolyte injection deviation is controlled below 0.5 grams, while key process CPK values reach 1.67 or above. Hot pressing parallelism is maintained within plus or minus 0.05 millimeters to ensure uniform cell consistency. Every stringent parameter is the solid foundation behind Tianneng Cell's outstanding consistency. Tianneng has established integrated capabilities spanning cells, modules, packs, and complete energy storage systems. From cells to systems, from manufacturing to the future of energy, Tianneng continues to advance global green energy through advanced lithium manufacturing capabilities.